$200 US on 10 eyeshadows. Yeah, I'm framing this bill for sure. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I want to apologize for kind of ghosting you all last week. I know I missed 2 uploads, Sunday and Wednesday. That's because Sunday was my mom's birthday and we were just having like so much fun decorating for Christmas and like celebrating her birthday with just us at home. And yeah, I just got absorbed in all of that and really wanted to spend some time with her. So yeah, that's why I missed Sunday and well, Wednesday. Honestly, I was just tired. My brother had a big work project going on and I was helping him, and yeah, that took up a lot of my time during the week, so I didn't even have time to film. So I hope you guys understand that I just needed a reset last week and I am back again. So for today's video, I am super excited because I have wanted these products for more than a year at this point. Like, I have them saved in my Instagram's collection, like I don't even know how long now. But when I tell you, I've been obsessed with multichromes, and I think y'all would have seen how obsessed I am with the Danessa Myricks palette and the multichromes in there. So yeah, you can say your girl is on a multichrome kick, except this one was hella expensive. Mind you, it was still on sale. Like, I got these during their Labor Day sale. These are from Chaos Cosmetics. They are an indie brand out of Texas, and you'll just have to see these. Okay, so if you want to see all of these multichrome shades, then keep on watching. Now, I did tell y'all that I am not purchasing any basic eyeshadows anymore, so I allowed myself to splurge on their Labor Day sale, and I'll show you the components and everything just now. It's definitely not what I expected, so I wanted to share my genuine review and thoughts on all of these products, including like how they came packaged. Like I said, I was not expecting it to be packaged this way, especially considering I paid $21 US for this little compact. Like, this is tiny. It's barely bigger than like a 25-cent coin. It is so tiny. But I don't know, I guess we'll have to see if the quality is worth it. I don't know, we'll see. So this is how they come packaged. They put them in this little paper, confetti paper, and they have this little cotton, well, it looks like they cut the cotton round and they just place it in there, so I guess to protect the shadow, and then they drop it in here with the paper. So they put like about 3 of the eyeshadows or multichrome pigments in this box. Now, from their Instagram, they don't really push these too much on their page. What you see is this seashell type of compact. I'll throw up a picture of it, and that is what I was expecting. But it's important when you go on their website to read the fine print, because what I ordered in the bundle is the 26mm drop-in pans. Okay, so it doesn't want to come out for some reason, but this is not stuck in there. Like, if I shake this properly, this entire pan will fall out in my hand. So this is what you get with the bundle. It's 26mm. But if you do order the 36mm, I think is the size, if you order that size of pan, then you will get it in the seashell compact. So bear in mind, if you want the seashell compact, you have to pay a little more money. I really didn't care for it, so I'm fine with this. That being said, I still think $21 US for this very simple basic packaging is kind of a lot. Like, I do wish these came in the seashell packaging, or at least a different type of packaging, because it does feel very cheap. Plus, I'm looking at the plastic wastage of this, so maybe if it came in like a Z palette, if they gave us that option, I might be more inclined to buy more. But yeah, just a bunch of these single plastic eyeshadows just everywhere. It's kind of annoying, but you know, I'm excited to share these swatches with y'all and share my genuine reviews of these, because honestly, Instagram sold me. Their Instagram page is beautiful, the pigments, the swatches and everything. So I'm ready to dive into it and see if it is worth the hype. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen me share swatches of these multichromes already. I mean, just look at the video. It is crazy insane, the shifts of these things. Like, I can't believe these were on my arms. Like, I felt like I was looking at their Instagram page, because you know, it's like you see it online and then you get it in person and it's like mind blown. No exaggeration here. I was completely like fish out of water when I saw how crazy these were shifting. They are so pretty. They are just out of this world gorgeous, and dare I say, I think they shift even better than the Danessa Myrex multichromes. I know I said it. They are more expensive, so I'm glad that they are shifting way better, but they are so soft. Like, I was expecting honestly like a glittery mess, especially when I removed the swatches from my arm, but it wiped off so easy. It washed off easy. It was like not like glittery or anything on my hand. It was just like pure pigment. It was crazy, insane how beautiful these were and easy to come off. I was really blown away by that. Now, I did order 10 of these. Obviously I can't play with 10 of these eyeshadows on my eyes today, but let's try to play with at least 2 or 3 of them. I'm gonna do different colors on each eye, kind of like the Danessa Myrex video, so that, you know, we can play with as much of these multichromes as possible. So this first one is called Seaside, and this one is actually coming out, so you see what they mean by a drop-in pan. You have to be very careful. These are not stuck in there. And this one, what I'll do is put up a picture on my screen of all of the different shifts that they have with each shade, and if you look carefully you can see it shifts like green, blue, and I'm seeing a kind of yellow gold. Like, this is crazy. So let me just take a, like, you see I barely touched that panel. Like, look at the shift on this. It is so freaking pretty. I mean, I need this on my eyes. I'm not, just to show you how stupid I get now with this thing, like, I didn't even lay down a crease shade. First, I just excited to put this on my eyes. Wow. Ooh, that is so pretty. I need my mirror. Like, I still have so much on my finger. Like, this is so pretty. Like, I'm trying to get y'all to see the shift. Like, yeah, you see it. You can see the kind of teal color there. Basic eyeshadow, nothing. The next shade I want to try is called Lucid. Y'all know I have to try a purple shade. Come on, man. Look at this one, how it's shifting. It's like purple, gold. Looks kind of green to me. Like, can you see it? Like, that is freaking gorgeous. So let me see. Oh yeah, I probably should have applied this on the next finger. Oh wow, these are crazy insane. Like, how smooth these are. They literally feel like silk on your eyes and on your fingers. That is so pretty. Okay, I think I want to add some more. So on top of this eye, I think I want to add Junebug. This is one of their most popular shades. Like, how I know, it wasn't even part of the bundle. I had to buy it separately. Oh, with good reason too. Okay. Alright. That is freaking pretty. Like, are you joking? Like, I hope the camera is picking this up, because this is insane. I need all the multichromes they have in the world. Let me pop on some lashes and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Let's start off with the negative first, and I have one. That is the packaging. I do not like the fact that I spent 21 US doll hairs on this little plastic coin. Like, I wish, I don't know what they could have done better, but I feel like this is just way too cheap for what we are paying for. And especially considering the fact that we have to factor in like customs clearing fees, which wasn't a lot because these were pretty tiny, but still, you know, you have to factor in every little cost. And I would say wait for a sale. So when I'm uploading this, it will be Sunday, which will be, yeah, the Black Friday sale will still be going on until Monday. So now is the time to actually shop these because you will be saving, and they have a bunch of like different bundles available as well, so you can save even more. But if you were to buy these like just single on their regular price, yeah, it can be a lot. So do like me and purchase it on a sale. As for the actual formula, this is something you have to see in person. You just have to see it for yourself with your eyes, because there is just no way any studio or camera lighting can actually pick up how insane these pigments are shifting. It is pure 100% magic. It is nothing like I've seen before. I'm telling you, these shift a little better than the Danessa Myricks one, considering, you know, the pricing and everything. These are more expensive, so that's a good thing. But definitely, as someone who owns over 60 eyeshadow palettes, I am telling you 100% I can narrow my collection down to like 5 or 10 max, and just have a bunch of these multichromes to elevate each look. Like, that is how crazy I am for multichrome pigments now. They are phenomenal, and they are the new movement in the beauty industry. I am hoping that more brands, especially affordable brands, can give us this type of quality for a lot less. So hint hint, Colourpop, I wouldn't mind if you'll create some multichrome pigments and like not charge us $1 billion. I mean, personally, if I had a beauty brand, this is the direction I would go to. New, fresh, fun, innovative. This is what the beauty industry needs. This is what brands need to give us as consumers. Something exciting, something just fun and fresh. And this is what multichromes like are doing for me right now. I am starting to feel excited about makeup again. I am genuinely excited to sit and create content for you guys and just do swatches, play around with makeup again. And that, sad to say, has been gone for a long time, at least for me. So these multichromes are definitely giving me life again, and I feel like I want more. I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably need to save for like another year again before I purchase more, but they are totally worthy investments. And you don't have to be like extra like me. I'm not saying no, you can do it too, but you don't have to get all of these shades. You can definitely like start building your collection, buy 1 or 2 just to try it, see how you like it, and just, you know, keep building your collection as you go. That is what I plan to do now that I see how much I love them. I love the quality especially. So yeah, definitely you will see me purchasing more from Chaos Cosmetics or Chaos Makeup. So one thing to bear in mind is how long they take. So if it is that you're looking to get it for someone for a present or for yourself for a certain time, give it a month in advance because they take long. That is the other con that I had to mention earlier and I forgot. But that pretty much sums up my honest review of the Chaos Cosmetics multichrome pigments. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did, and also comment down below what are your thoughts on these multichrome pigments. Do you think you would invest in them? Let me know. And most importantly, people, if you are not, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And on Wednesday I should have all of my Sephora hauls ready to go. I have gotten 2 orders already. I have 3 more boxes to come. So yeah, hopefully I get my Sephora haul in time for y'all on Wednesday. You guys make sure to take care of yourselves, and I will see y'all very soon. Bye.